Hey there, fellow food lovers. Today I'm going to share my absolute favorite fried chicken recipe that's been perfected over years of testing. Trust me, once you try this, you'll never look at takeout the same way again. Let's start with the secret to incredible fried chicken. It's all about the marinade. We're going to soak our chicken in buttermilk for at least 12 hours. This not only tenderizes the meat, but also helps create that amazing tangy flavor we all love. Now here's where most people go wrong. The seasoning. Don't just season the flour, folks. Season your chicken directly first. I'm talking about a generous mix of paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and my secret ingredient, a touch of MSG. Yes, I said it, it's perfectly safe and adds that incredible umami flavor. For the coating, we're doing a double-dredge technique. Dip in seasoned flour, then into buttermilk, and back into the flour again. This creates those gorgeous, craggy pieces that get super crispy when fried. Here's a pro tip. Let the coated chicken rest on a wire rack for about 10 minutes before frying. This helps the coating stick better. Temperature control is crucial. You want your oil at exactly 350 degrees, 175 degrees. Too hot and you'll burn the outside while the inside stays raw. Too cool and you'll end up with greasy chicken. Use a thermometer, don't just wing it. Fry for about 12-14 minutes, flipping halfway through. The secret to keeping it crispy? Don't drain on paper towels. Instead, place it on a wire rack over a baking sheet. This keeps the bottom from getting soggy. One more game-changing tip. Mix a little baking powder into your flour mixture. This creates tiny air pockets when it hits the hot oil, giving you that extra crispy, light-as-air crust that makes everyone go wow. Remember, patience is key with fried chicken. Don't overcrowd your pan and let each batch cool slightly before serving. The result? Perfectly golden brown, crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside fried chicken that'll make you the hero of any family gathering or potluck. Give this recipe a try and I promise you'll never go back to your old way of making fried chicken. Happy frying, everyone.